Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It has been a hot minute. I haven't been on YouTube for months and months, and the reason why I'm coming on today is actually because some of you guys that actually follow me on Instagram had requested for me to show you how I achieved this protective style that I have in at the moment. And the last time you guys saw me, I had cut my hair, and my hair has grown quite a lot, and my edges have finally grown back. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I achieved this look, and I just want to thank you guys for sticking around and still subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me, and it's really sweet to see your messages. Some of you have DM'd me on Instagram, and some of you have written in certain videos here on YouTube and asking me where I've been. I'm fine, my family is doing great, and we're actually adding a new addition to our family. I am pregnant again. This time we are having a little baby girl, and I am due in like 9 days. So yeah, the baby's coming pretty soon. I want to say thank you, basically. So I'm not going to talk that much more. I'm just going to get into the video, and you know, if you have any questions, pop them down below in the comment section and I will get to you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, whatever video that'll be. I hope you enjoyed the video also. And take care, and don't forget to subscribe and put on the notification bell if you do want to know when I upload my next video. I don't know when that's going to be, but yeah, I'll see you. So the last time you saw my hair on my channel, I had hair loss around my edges due to me having my son, and then I decided to cut my hair, and I actually kept up with this hairstyle for quite a while, and now my hair has grown back again, and my edges have grown back. And in this clip I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like right before I decided to braid it. I did blow it out on low heat with my blow dryer. So for the past few months I've been figuring out and getting to know my hair all over again, and I have been using the LOC method to moisturize my hair and figured out what oils work for me. I have low porosity hair, so I use almond oil and jojoba oil and a leave-in conditioner that is quite light, and I actually seal in all the moisture with Blue Magic, believe it or not, but hair grease actually works for me. And for this look I did use some Marley braid hair so that I could add on the hair as I was braiding to make this cornrow low bun. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. I'm going to be making 8 sections so that I can have 8 large cornrows. However, I'm not the best at actually explaining how to do a cornrow, but I will try to just show you guys what I did. So I start with the first section, and I'm making that section quite small. And when I finish that, I will actually take out the hair around my perimeters or my baby hairs and actually not braid them. I'm just gonna let them be. And I'm using a little bit of the olive oil edge control just to smooth the beginning of that cornrow out. And then I start by taking a really small piece of hair, separating that into 2, and then hooking them together so that I can start doing the cornrow. Now, as I'm braiding, I'm actually going to add little pieces of hair, and these pieces that I've separated beforehand, they become a little bit bigger as I keep braiding, just so that I can make the illusion that, you know, that the braid becomes a little bit bigger as I go. And I also opted to choose Marley hair because I think that it mimics my 4C hair a lot better than using like the regular expression or impression here. And yeah, I think that it's suitable for the style that I'm trying to achieve. And as you guys can see, I'm grabbing hair and then continuing. I'm basically just continuing to braid my hair. So now I'm just continuing to braid the hair, and I don't make them long because I just want to put them up in a bun. And this is what I keep doing for the rest of the sections of the hair. It's nothing that special really. I just keep adding on hair as I'm braiding my cornrow, and for you to be able to do this, you would have to have some type of practice in how to do a cornrow. And the braids are not super neat. I don't want them to be super neat either. I usually keep this hairstyle in for like a week or so, and then I wash my hair and deep condition it and everything, and then I'll just redo it again. If you want an easy protective style, I definitely recommend doing this hairstyle. I have been protective styling on and off during the space of time ever since I cut my hair. I have been wearing cornrows. I have mostly been wearing braids actually, but braids are always like in the way, and I do think that this is more manageable. I have also worn wigs during the space of time, but I do think that this is a great protective style, especially now that it's becoming a lot warmer. So this is half of my hair done. I'm gonna continue to do the rest off camera, but you guys get it. I basically just use the same technique all over. And as I finished half of my hair, my little son Elias is decided to wake up from his nap. So I kind of had to wait until his dad got home to finish the rest of my hair. And this is what my hair looks like right after I'm done. And to make like the hair look a bit more neat, the hairs in the front, I slick them down with gel, and yeah, you guys know how to lay your edges probably at this point because a lot of people do. I don't always do this, but on the days that I want it to look super neat, or when I've had my hair in for quite some times, I tend to do it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like, and put on that notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. Bye!